Alright, I'm going to be doing a little Chrony testing today with the Taurus TCP 380. I've got some Fiocchi 90 grain jacketed hollow points. Show you what one of those look like. So that's what they look like. It's a 90 grain jacketed hollow point. Fairly inexpensive. I think these were about $20 for a box of 50. So I'm going to do a Chrony test now. Okay, next up for Chrony tests with the Taurus TCP is some Magtech. This is a full metal jacket, 95 grain. And this is what the bullet looks like. Okay, next Chrony test with the Taurus TCP is going to be a 92 grain hard cast Magnus bullet. It's on 3 grains of HP38. Okay, next up with the Taurus TCP, I've got another load with the 92 grain hard cast lead Magnus bullet. This is on 3.4 grains of HP38. Okay, I've got one more load I'm going to test. It's a Speer gold dot, 90 grain jacketed hollow point, standard pressure.